Hello guys, this is Aaron from SPROLINK, and this time I'm very excited to be at InfoComm 2025. Now let's check what we have on our booth. This time we will show you our PC0100. It's a PTZ controller with a screen. Yeah? Now we already have connected with one cameras, and we can use a joystick to control the PTZ cameras. Most importantly, this device can have the AI tracking directly built in our controller. No need your PTZ camera to have the AI tracking. Now I enable tracking. You can see the PTZ has track me when I move. Okay. We can also do the tour functions. When I click tour, it will save the PTZ movement. Save all the PTZ movement. Yeah. Then I can record the tour. PTZ will move automatically. Yeah. Welcome to our booth to check our new device. Our website is www.sprolink.com.